Okay, now I get a stick to move it, but it's cocked up properly. Just help it before I put more liquid in. So much lot of mess. So as you can see, we've got liquid down here. Can't see, can we? It's all steamed up. So there we are. Then just leave that to set. By tomorrow morning, I should have something, hopefully, if I've done it right. Taking a little while, this is. Okay, I'll be here all day. Do you fancy doing this? Take over if you want to. It's going slowly. I'd be surprised if it works first time. If it's clean with it, I haven't got a clue. It's going down slowly. Just be careful when you do this because the wax can set quite quickly. And if it's cold, it will set. Got a bit of stick now. Just keep it stirring. Yeah, it's actually going down. It's very, very fine. That's what you need really to get all the stuff out. All that, let's check out. Don't smell very nice anyway. Let you know that. I think we can put some more in now. Yep, okay.